Do you ever look down at your knees and worry they'll be the first thing to fail you? That popping sound when you stand up, that deep ache after climbing stairs? Is this just what getting older is supposed to feel like? You're doing squats trying to follow the advice to stay strong, to keep your independence, to not be a burden. But instead of building your legs, it feels like you're just grinding your joints down to bone. You see others squatting and getting stronger, while your every rep just sends a sharp warning sign up your thigh. What if the safe squat form you learned is actually the very thing destroying your knees and guaranteeing your legs never grow? In this video, we are going to expose the hidden mechanical error that puts 90% of the pressure on your kneecap, not your muscles. I'll show you the exact physiological reason your glutes and quads aren't firing, and give you the one crucial adjustment that takes the pain away instantly and finally forces your legs to build real functional strength. The single biggest lie we were told is don't let your knees go over your toes. This one piece of advice meant to protect you is the primary reason you're in pain, because it forces you to misunderstand the entire movement. The squat is not a down and up motion. It is a back and down motion. The real culprit for your knee pain isn't your knees traveling forward. It's that you are initiating the squat by breaking at your knees first. Think about it. When you start the squat by bending your knees, your center of gravity immediately pitches forward. Your body panics, and to keep you from falling on your face, it fires your quads like crazy. This creates a massive shearing force, essentially trying to slide your shin bone forward while your thigh bone stays put, grinding your delicate patella, your kneecap, right into the femur. Your glutes, the most powerful muscle in your body, the one meant to take the load, are completely offline. They're just along for the ride. And this is the rehook. This is the exact reason your legs aren't growing. You're not doing a leg exercise. You're doing a patellar tendon stress test. You're training a dysfunctional movement pattern that your brain now recognizes as danger, which is why it sends pain signals to make you stop. You can't build muscle if your body is in a constant state of threat. The solution is to relearn the movement by starting with your hips, not your knees. Before you bend your knees at all, your very first move must be to push your hips back as if you're trying to tap a wall 2 feet behind you with your glutes. Imagine sitting back into a chair that's much farther away than you think. This one change instantly loads the posterior chain, your glutes and your hamstrings. Now, as you continue to sit back, your knees will bend, and guess what? They will naturally travel forward over your toes. But now it's safe because they aren't leading the movement. They are following the hips. The load is no longer shearing your kneecap. It's being distributed across the powerful engine of your hips. But what about that other problem? The knee pain that comes from your knees collapsing inward. That's the second horseman of squat failure, known as knee valgus. This is a direct sign that your glute medius, the side butt muscle responsible for stabilizing your pelvis, is weak. When it's weak, your adductors, inner thighs, pull your knees inward, putting a terrible twisting force on your meniscus and ACL. The fix is an active cue. As you squat down, actively spread the floor apart with your feet. You're not moving your feet, but you're creating an outward rotational tension, like trying to rip the floor in half. This immediately fires those outer hip muscles and locks your knee into a stable, safe path, tracking perfectly over your foot. When you combine this hips back initiation with the spread the floor cue, the pain vanishes, and for the first time you will feel a deep, powerful stretch and contraction in your glutes and hamstrings. That isn't just the feeling of a safe squat. That is the feeling of your legs finally getting the signal to